Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am super excited because we have the new news. Okay, Jamal Journal. We have a lot of new updates, which I'm very excited, so let's see. The rest of the stone blocks in the Temple of Ancient has broken away, revealing something so incredible that even the Alpha are speechless. A statue of a saber-toothed tiger. Oh my gosh, guys, I knew it! Okay. Oh, that's so exciting. These ancient animals are rumored to have extinct in Jamal ages ago. Long before anyone can remember, the discovery of the Heartstone and emergence, I think that's how you say it, of their statue can mean only one thing. Sabertooth will soon be coming to Jamal. Okay, guys, this is exciting. Okay. All around Jamal, flowers are blooming, birds are chirping, and jammers doing a bit spear cleaning in the honor of, oh my gosh, guys, I almost said horror, in the honor of age returning to Spring Cottage. Don't I already have the Spring Cottage? Yeah, I already have the Spring Cottage, so let's go back to the Jamal news. This beautiful den come with cozy cottage and pictures, I'm sorry guys, I can't, say that word, pond with wonderful waterfalls and its walls and floor feature fun flowers. Pick up your own spring cottage today. Oh, there's, okay, calling all jokesters. The April Fool party is back in action, so grab your buddies some topsy-turvy fun. Okay. Create your most beautiful springtime masterpiece and give them an extra floral flourish with this new frame. Oh, I like that frame. Spring bundle. The spring bundle comes with an otter, a pet pony, a beach house, an exclusive armor set, and a never before seen den item set. This amazing bundle is available to anyone who purchases any membership from www.animaljam.com join during the month of April, which is awesome stuff. There's never been a better time to become a member. Okay. This is a lot of reading, guys. Spring is you guys can skip this, but spring is a full bloom, which means it's time for a spring festival. Okay, guys, my tongue is getting tied up for the excitement and stuff. The fun adventure. 100 hidden spring eggs are scattered around the land, and it's up to you to gather as many as you can. Are your eyes keen enough to find them all? I guess so. I'll be trying that later. Wind armor. You'll be blown away when you pick up these incredible animated armor set. I'll be sure to get some later on. Even more mannequins have come to Jamal. Pick up horse, hyena, kangaroo, lion, and monkey. I haven't really seen a lion in a really long time and stuff. And I can deck them out in the newest fashion. Okay, guys. Egg extravaganza. I don't know. I'm sorry. Remember to check out the egg nest around Jamal and adopt a mystery pet that will hatch in 3 days. That's cool. Start with the change of season by springing into Jamal shops and checking out all the spring accessories and den items. Last one, guys. Get your emote on. The spring subscription box is shipping soon. This awesome box is filled with tons of fun emote loot, like a 2-sided emote plushie and a sweet t-shirt. To show off your feels, t-shirt to show off your feels. You can learn from this right here, and that's all, guys. So first, I'm gonna go check out Belush real quick, and see and check it out. So I will be changing into my eagle, and yeah. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like in real life. It looks really beautiful, because, I don't know, guys, it looks so cool. So this is the saber-toothed tiger. Go to Belush to check it out and have fun. yeah. Okay. Moving on. Let's see any items here. There's a spring wristwatch, eggshell helmet, a flower tail. I might be using those because I really like those. And then in the den items, there is a sunflower rug, a vine flower lamp. Oh, okay. Sorry. A tail grass, and flower welcome mat. Okay, guys, so that's the update. And I think it is a very exciting update, actually. And then I'm gonna just check Epic Wonders. There's an egg throne too. They added an egg throne if y'all wanna go buy that. And then the same here. I might be recording videos, like a lot of videos tomorrow since I have no school tomorrow, so very happy about that. Let's go here. Hi. Is my chat still? Okay, good. My chat isn't restricted. But hi. You got an orange lung. I don't think she's listening right now, so yeah. Hopefully she didn't overtrade for that orange long though. Congrats. Oh, okay guys. I couldn't type. Congrats. You trade for it. So I'm just like, I like seeing what people trade for stuff because I might know if they traded under, and my buddy is on, and yeah. I'm gonna just sit right there. Yellow and pink short collar. Wow. Oops. Wow. That's, oh, okay. That's a good deal. I might have to end this video soon because I'm not gonna record that long. And yeah. So I'm ending this video right here, and I'm gonna try to trade a orange and pink short for one. You mean for oh, okay. So that's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and okay. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see you on my next video. Bye! If y'all made it to here at the end of the video yet, make sure to comment down your username below so I could do a giveaway at 40 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe, and yeah, for now, okay, actually goodbye.